So the other day, I was lucky enough to spend some time in the woods with my friend Ben and my drone.
Here's the
And he
location,
took me
baby.
out to this cool building. It's like on a big pipeline that runs water all the way down from upstate New York to New York City. So somewhere in these woods here, I'm not sure exactly. And I'm really excited because I've been spending all winter in the simulator preparing for a nice day, windless day like we had. And so I strapped on my goggles and, got the drone out there for the first flight away from home. And boy, did it feel amazing. I've thought about this potential moment, but I turtle moded, and no matter what I did, I couldn't get the drone off the roof.
DJ, what do we got going on right now?
So my drone is currently on the top of that structure right there. So we're kind of having a live action puzzle situation where we're gonna not go back to the car or home and maybe get it back. It would be really cool, super duper cool.
Time will tell.
But for now, the step is that we're gonna attach this GoPro to this stick, and then as you can see here, you can see what's on it. So this is
Down a little bit.
This is an intelligence mission.
There you go. Yep.
To understand exactly where the drone is so that we can get it down. This is just step one. This is a scouting mission. So here, can you take this?
Yeah. Turn it the other way, I think, because you want it. Nice view of your feet, though. It's a little. I can only really see the top of the. Oh, there we go. I see the roof. No drone yet.
Can you press screen recording? Do you know how to do that? Your Android?
I got it. It's going. No drone yet. Still. Did you call me an Android fuck?
No, sorry about that. Anything?
I still can't see it. Go back towards the building more. It's got to be caught up. There's like some rocks and stuff there.
Yeah, that's what it felt like.
It's got to be.
And there it was. We had eyes on my beautiful little drone, upside down, stuck in a little divot on a metal roof with its VTX overheated. And I thought about what it might be like for my drone to be stuck up there forever. The wind and the rain surely ruining its circuit board. The summer I had dreamed of flying everywhere and learning tricks and going new places and hiking and doing all sorts of cool things taken away from me by a stupid little trick that I shouldn't even been doing. I'm a fucking idiot. It's just a drone. I should have just flown around somewhere cool, like just somewhere in an open field, like normal people. I had to fly it around this old graffitied building, but luckily I
Benjamin, the hero of the day.
We did it. We scraped it.
Look at what you did. Look at what you did.
We did it.
Beautiful. Here's why it couldn't pick up, because it broke a little bit, so it couldn't fly.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, she just needs a little repair.
I'm very proud of our...
You did amazing, buddy. Amazing.
Stick.
I almost definitely did.
We're doing some field repairs.
Luckily, it was broken in a way that it's been broken before, and I wasn't smart enough to have extra bolts, but I was smart enough to have a little sewing kit in my backpack, so I just took some thread and kind of made a little loop over the top to hold it down, because boy, oh boy, did I not want to give up flying, so literally held together with thread. I got the drone ready, and everything seemed right, and then before I knew it, I was back up in the air.
Get ready to come back.
Everything was incredible again.
Just let me know when you're ready for me to come back.
One thing I've been really enjoying about the drone is that it's kind of like photography in that it gives you a new way of seeing a scene, seeing a situation, reappreciating places that maybe you spent a bunch of time in. Like the footage that we're seeing of flying through the woods, I've never seen something like that. I don't know, it captures some of the magic of living in the Hudson Valley and living in the place that I feel lucky enough to live in, these woods right here, right? I don't think a photo necessarily captures all of the magic that you get to see when you see the light through the leaves, and it's been raining a whole bunch, so it's like super, super green. Yeah, I think the drone offers like a new perspective to look at life a little bit. And it's useful for that. It makes you want to go out and hike and go out and do things. Of course, more than that, just fucking fun.